Hey, what's up guys? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another brand new, tasty, quick and simple recipe on Kitchen Tonic. In this video today, I'm going to be making some tasty curried salmon, guys. To start off, the ingredients that we're going to be using for this video today are one whole tomato here. I have it chopped up or fairly chopped up. I have 2 tablespoons of curry powder over here, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion, half a hot pepper, and the star of the show, 1 can of salmon. And do not be disgusted by the looks of it right now, because by the time we're finished with this recipe here, guys, it's gonna be so good you won't know what to say. But for now, let's jump right over to the stove, where I have about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil heating up, and we're gonna begin the cooking process for this curried salmon today. Alright guys, so here I have my oil on the fire. It's already been heating, and I have my onions. I'm gonna begin by placing my onions into my oil. I'm gonna go ahead and go right in with my garlic. And this is a really simple and quick recipe that you can basically make in a 10-15 minutes, guys. And of course, this recipe is modifiable. You can add whatever you want to it. You can add how much ever cans of salmon that you choose, how much ever. You can add scallions, you can add potatoes, you can add almost anything to this recipe, guys. But this is just the basic I'm showing you guys here today, a quick and simple recipe, but you can modify it and add or remove whatever you want from the recipe. I do have my heat on about medium right now, and now I'm gonna go on in and place my curry powder into my oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and roast this up a little. After you add your curry to this pan, make sure that you keep stirring, because you don't want your curry to get stuck to the bottom of the pan. After about 1.5 to 2 minutes of adding your curry to your pan, I'm gonna go ahead and add my salmon straight out of the can into my pan. Now, of course, I went ahead and removed the water or the liquid that it comes with. Just dump your salmon into your pan and you can choose to break your salmon up to whatever pieces or size that you please. I'm now gonna go ahead and add my hot peppers as well as my tomatoes to this frying pan, guys. And just go ahead and fry it up a little. Alright guys, so basically you just want to allow your salmon to fry up a little and it's basically finished, guys. And like I said, you can completely modify this recipe to your liking or to your taste. You can add salt, you can add black pepper, you can add scallions or spring onions, you can add green peppers, red bell peppers, whatever you feel like adding, guys. This is completely modifiable to your taste or whatever you want, but this is just the quick simple version. If you're in a rush, you have some salmon in your cupboard or whatever, you want to whip up something real quick, this is the go-to, guys. Alright, so I want to thank you guys for watching this. This is basically finished, and thank you guys for watching once again. Be sure to join me another time, another day, for another recipe, another tasty recipe at that.